Hi, this is just a quick video to show how Smith Corona gets locked for shipping and unlocked for use. Right now I have it locked for shipping. I'm going to show you the two pieces that are involved. One of them is the margin, the left-hand margin button over here, and the other button is the locking lever over here. So right now the carriage is immobilized, spacebar doesn't work, keys don't type. You start by moving this left margin over to release things. Then when you push the carriage to the right, that lever pops down. And now, as you can see, it moves freely. Let me show you how that locks up. Pull that up and over. It locks the carriage. And then what I do for shipping is slide this over to immobilize the carriage. Again, to pull it back. And when I watch this lever move when I push the carriage to the right, there it goes. Now it's unlocked. Again, to repeat myself, there it is locked. Everything's locked up now. Move it back. Everything is free now. That should explain it.